Our question today is brought to you by commercialagentsuccess.com. Check it out for the ultimate broker training. The question is, Michael, why should an agent join or form a team? Well, there's a lot of reasons. Try to keep these short, so I'll give you a few. One is 1 + 1 = 3, right? Bad math. If two brokers are working together, they shouldn't make the same amount that they were making. They should make more because of the offsetting skills, because they're more powerful, because one might be better with some clients and one might be better than the other. One might be better at prospecting, one might be better at analysis. There's a lot of reasons to form a team. You might win assignments that you couldn't otherwise win because maybe you're competing with teams. It can give you some coverage for your clients when maybe you are doing something else. So there's a lot of good reasons. Here's where you have to be careful. Make sure you have a great team agreement, that there's an understanding of who's doing what and what happens if one of you wins the lottery, that sort of thing. Also, think about who those parties are on your team. Are you a junior or a senior member? What's the compensation setup like? Think it through very carefully. One thing I've seen is some people have called me around the country or emailed me and asked me that they've been on a team and having issues with it. So one of the things is I created a 1-hour training video called Teams That Work, and we'll put a link to it here at this video, but it's 1 hour. Invest $200 if you're an individual. It's got some great information. Also included in that is a team agreement. It's a wonderful template to help a team have a great agreement that helps them think through all the issues that teams have and have a successful team. So check that out. Invest in yourself. Let me know if I might be of further service.